Hello student, I am Rajesh Kumar Moria. Let us continue with fifth unit, numerical on hydraulic ram. Already we have studied the working principle of hydraulic ram through video lecture shared by me on your WhatsApp group as well as in AKTU ERP. Today we will see the numerical, how to solve numerical on hydraulic ram. This numerical is very important because it will solve your two purpose. Since it is the part of your theory syllabus as well as practical, if we are talking about hydraulic ram, it is one of the experiment in your hydraulic machinery lab. Let us see how solve this numerical. I have taken one numerical and this is very good numerical which I am which I am taken here. A hydraulic ram installation has the following particulars. Supply head is equal to 4 meter. Length of supply pipe is equal to 6 meter. Diameter of supply pipe is equal to 30 mm. Delivery head 18 meter. Length of delivery pipe is equal to 24 meter. Diameter of delivery pipe is equal to 20 mm. Water lifted is equal to 0.08 liter per second. Water wasted is equal to 0.46 liter per second. Assuming friction coefficient for pipe as 0.012, determine the deobstruction efficiency and the Rankine efficiency of the ram. So before solving this numerical, first we have to write the given data and what we have to calculate in this numerical, put in the question mark. As it is given in numerical, supply head is equal to 4 meter, which is denoted by small h. L suffix small s is equal to 6 meter, that is supply, that is supply length pipe. D suffix s 30 mm. Delivery head capital H is equal to 18 meter. D suffix D, diameter of delivery pipe. L suffix D, small L suffix D is 24 meter length of the delivery pipe. Water lifted is denoted by small q, that is 0.08 liter per second. Water wastage, capital Q is equal to 0.46 liter per second, and F is equal to 0.012. Here we have to calculate deobstruction efficiency as well as Rankine efficiency. We know that deobstruction efficiency is nothing but it is Q in bracket capital H minus small HFD over Q plus capital Q into small h minus small hfg. Here hfg is written since frictional forces inside the pipe is counted here. If frictional head is not considered, then there will be no HFD and no HFG here. Now, QS, the notations, this is nothing but this is the supply water, discharge of supply water. That is water lifted plus water wastage. That is Q. It will give the QS. It will give the QS. Total water supplied in the suction pipe becomes 0.08 plus 0.46 is equal to 0.54 liter per second is equal to 0.54 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube per second. Velocity of water in suction pipe is equal to Vs is equal to Qs over A suffix S. This is nothing but this is the formula from continuity equation. Discharge is equal to velocity into cross-sectional area. If you will put the value of Qs and As, we will get 0.764 meter per second. Friction loss in suction pipe. What will be the friction loss in suction pipe? We will calculate according to the Weisbach equation. All of you know 4FL into V square over D into 2G. Suffix S is for the supply. Remember that. 4 into frictional losses given as 0.012 into 6 into 0.764. Already we have calculated here. Diameter is given 0.03 meter into 2 into 9.81. If we calculate, we will get frictional head loss will be 0.2856 meter of water in supply. Now we will calculate in case of delivery. V suffix D is here, velocity in delivery pipe. Velocity of discharge, we will calculate Vd over small q over A small suffix small d. If we will put and calculate, it will come out 0.2547 meter cube per meter per second. That is velocity. Now again we will calculate frictional loss in delivery pipe. Same formula will be put. We will use here 4F L V square over 2GD and suffix D here for delivery. We will put all the data and solve. Then we will get HFD in delivery 0.1905 meter of water. Now we will calculate D absorption efficiency, eta suffix D. It is nothing but it is Q in bracket capital H minus HFD over in bracket small q plus capital Q, bracket close and bracket open, small h minus HFS. By putting these value here and by calculating, we will get 0.7255, that is 72.55% of the aviation efficiency. Now, we will calculate Rankine efficiency. The formula of Rankine efficiency is Q in bracket capital H plus HFD minus small h over capital Q in bracket small h minus HFS. By putting the value, we will get that 0.6644 or 66.44%. One thing you have remember here that the efficiency of Rankine is always come out lesser than, always come out less as compared to the deobustion efficiency. Here deobustion efficiency is 72 and Rankine efficiency is 66. If in your numerical the value of Rankine efficiency is more than deobustion efficiency, then you always remember that your numerical is wrong. To be remembered, if you're talking about the numerical on hydraulic ram, it is always asked for calculating deobustion efficiency or Rankine efficiency. If you're talking about in your practical, in practical also, you are required to calculate deobustion efficiency and Rankine efficiency in your practical. So you should know clearly the definition of deobustion efficiency as well as Rankine efficiency. Generally, it is often asked the definition of deobustion efficiency and Rankine efficiency in your theory exam also. What is definition? Definition is nothing but it is, if you are talking about deobustion efficiency, it is defined as output upon input is equal to, here output will be small q into capital H over capital Q plus small q into small h. Whereas in case of Rankine efficiency, it is also output upon input. But here output will be small q in bracket capital H minus small h over capital Q into H. Here you should know the notation where is capital Q is nothing but it is discharge of wastewater in meter cube per second, and small h is equal to here height of water in supply tank from here water is taken for delivery purpose. Capital H is nothing but it is delivery height. It is that height where the water is being supplied. Water being supplied. Small q is here discharge of water delivered. It is that amount of water which is delivered or supplied at the height of capital H. Thank you.